In this video, I will show you how to send money from PayPal to Revolut. So to start off, from our PayPal app, we are going to click on Direct to Bank from the home screen. In here, we are going to select the country or region that we are sending the money to. And in order to know which country you're sending it to, you need to go over to your Revolut app to check the details. So let's open the Revolut app right now. And from our Revolut app, we're going to click on the top left where your initials are shown. In here, we're going to click on Account down below. And right now we're going to click on Account Details. So in here, you're going to select the currency that you want to send the money in. And I'm going to send it in euro. So I'm going to click on euro in here. But if you're going to send it in dollars or British pounds, you're going to select British pound or dollar. So I'm going for euro. Right now I see the account details that is necessary to send the money to later in the process. And down below, we can see a country, and that is in this case, Netherlands. So right now I know I need to fill in Netherlands in PayPal. So let's go back to our PayPal account right now. So in here, we're going to select Netherlands. After that, we're going to enter the amount we're going to send. When you enter the amount, you click on Next. In here, you click on Bank Deposit. If Revolut is shown in this screen, then select Revolut, and if not, scroll down and click on Other. In here, you need to type in Revolut and your IBAN that we just got from the account details in Revolut. And after you have filled that in, you click on Next. In here, you need to enter the contacts info. So this is going to be the beneficiary name and stuff like that. So make sure you fill everything in. In this screen, you need to fill in some details about the sender. So go ahead and fill everything in. And after you click on Next. After you verified your address in the previous screen, in this screen you need to select your bank account or any payment method that's linked to your PayPal account. You can also add a new payment method, but I'm going to select one of my bank accounts. You will now see this review screen where you can review everything you filled in and you can see how much the fees are. And if everything is alright, you can finalize it and confirm it by clicking on Send down below. And that is how you send money from PayPal to your Revolut. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.